Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today's video is going to be how to create the smoky eye with the colorful twist. I'm going to use L'Oreal True Match concealer in the medium to neutralize my eyelids since I have some pigmentation. On top of this, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder. It is a finely milled powder. It will prevent creasing. Now on my crease I'm going to use this contour shade from Stars Cosmetics. It is actually a blusher in the shade 07. The key for a smoky eye is to blend it well. Next I'm going to use Music Flower Long Wear Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm going to concentrate this liner from my lash line till half of my lid so that it will not mess up the entire look. Blend the edges well using the same contour shade. Then I am going to use Wet n Wild single eyeshadows in the shade Panther. It is a matte black shade. I am going to set my lids using this shade. Do take time to blend your eye makeup guys so that it looks seamless. Next I'm going to use Bharat and Doris Single eyeshadow in the shade Orange to give a good transition on my crease. Next I'm going to use a pink shadow on my inner corner from Mua Poptastic palette, and also in between the crease and the orange shade, the lid and the orange shade. Blend it well. Also reapply the shades after blending since it will fade away. Build the colors up until you are happy with the pigmentation. Next I'm going to use this golden shade from the same Mua palette to intensify the color on above my crease. I'm going to line my top lash line just to define my eyes. I'm not going to use any false lashes. I'm going to wipe off my face using this Cara wet wipes just to remove all the fallouts. Using this face's metallic glow, I'm going to illuminate my skin. Next I'm using Colourful primer to minimize my pores. Here I'm going to mix two foundations, Milani Conceal and Perfect plus the Maybelline Fit Me. The shade details will be below in the description box. Please don't forget to check that out. I'm going to contour using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. Blend the contour well. I'm going to use the same concealer in the shade Warm. I'm going to set my skin using the same Fit Me powder. Using the same contour shade, I'm going to contour my cheekbones and also my nose to give it some definition. Using the nudes palette, I'm going to fill my brows. Using the Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter in the shade Ice Kiss, I'm going to highlight my high points of the face. I'm using Nykaa's I Am Black Kajal. It is a very blackest kajal I've ever seen, and it is seamless to apply. I'm going to tight line both my upper and lower waterline, and also apply my the pink shade, also the orange shade below on my lower waterline. I'm applying Color Sensational mascara and lining my lips using Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Berry Red. On top of that, I'm going to use NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Ruffle Trim. This is the final look, guys. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon near the subscribe button. Do share this video to your friends and loved ones. If you recreate this look, please do tag me on my social media. The link will be down below in the description bar. Let me know your thoughts on this look on the comment section. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.